So what we're calling a sit-through guillotine. Start off with a flyover pass. Flyover pass starts by pushing our opponent straight to the ground. I bunch him up, get his feet to his hips, and fly over. Here I connect my hands and shelve his hips. I lift up his legs so his hips are off the ground. Put him under my knee and reach around for a guillotine grip. Guillotine grip is hand to sternum, so I wrap all the way around till my hand is on his sternum. That's where it stays until we get the tap. To add pressure, I need to sit all the way through, which in this instance is right leg, going all the way through to the other side, ending up in like judo side control. That puts the pressure on the arm, which we can get the tap. Here's a little funky arm bar thrown in for no reason. Hope you enjoy. One more time, we push our opponent to the ground, stick his feet to his butt, and do a flyover pass. From here, I clasp my hands, gable grip if you can, lift up his legs so his hips are immobilized, put his legs on my knee. I'm going to take my left hand and wrap it around his neck until I find my hand on his sternum. Once my hand is on his sternum, it stays there until we get the tap. Now here, there's lots of ways to get to the other side of his body. You can go half guard, you can go full mount, or me, I just slide straight through. And I gotta get that left leg all the way under, and that's when you get the tap. Pose for the camera, show him your crouch. Flyover pass. Shelve his hips. Guillotine grip, hand to sternum. Right leg to the other side. Judo side control finish. Here I am attempting it in a live roll. So here we start in full mount. I'll try to get the guillotine grip around his head as he tries to go double unders as a mount escape. This double under mount escape, maybe that's our next video. The move not working. But you know, I think it looks nice. You get to see where we train, you get to see a nice escape from Tahric. He peels the grip off of his neck, and because my arm is bent, it results in like a Kimura. It's kind of like a Kimura sweep. And because he has two arms under, I have no more mount. Full escape.